Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick test on the Total Wax Sealant Hydrophobic Wax, which I use quite regularly, and the new Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating. We're basically going to test to see how hydrophobic each one is and if they're comparable. The ceramic spray coating is supposed to protect your paint for up to 12 months. It's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with the Sealant Hydrophobic normal wax. I use that as a drying aid as well as just a quick detailer. So what I'll do is I'm going to split the bonnet into two halves. Right side I'm going to use the ceramic coating on, and the left side I'll use the sealant on, and then we'll spray some water on there, see what the difference is. We'll see how easy it is to go on, etc. Okay, so I'll start with the sealant. It's a pretty straightforward thing. The panel's clean and dry, it's just been washed and dried. It's pretty cold today, so we'll see if that makes a difference as well. Yeah, he says you can use it on a wet or dry car, which is what I usually do anyway. So it may be a little bit of an advantage this time, because it's probably got a couple of coats of this on it already. So basically it's just a spray and wipe, a couple of sprays per panel. So it goes on nice. Like I say, I've used this before. It's quite a nice product. Turn in the cloth just to buff it off. It is original paint this as well, so it would be nice to see if it does actually change the gloss with the ceramic coating one. That looks pretty good. But that's pretty good, quite easy, feels nice and smooth and glossy. Like I say, I have used this product before on the car. So we'll just try the other side with the ceramic spray. For best performance, paint should be free of oxidization and surface contaminants. Clay or polish finish first if needed. Apply a second coat for 12 months of protection. Use a damp microfiber cloth to remove high spots. Streaking. So you can use a damp cloth to remove all the little bits as well, which is quite interesting. Use the same thing again, use 2 sprays per panel. Spread and wipe with a clean folded microfiber cloth. Use a separate cloth to remove. Okay, we'll do that then. Can be used on wheels, glass, plastics. So that's interesting, using on plastics, but not for convertible tops, of course. And you can use for the rush hour. You can use it over existing coatings as well. That's quite good then. So I could still use my sealant as a drying aid, and then put the ceramic coating over the top. It's very cool. So what I'll do then, I'll just whack this on. A couple of sprays, as it says. Maybe 3. Again, it goes on really nice. Just go and get another cloth to buff it off. I think what I'll do is actually, I think I will do a couple of coats on this, like it says, to increase protection, just to make sure it's actually all coated correctly. Just feel really smooth. But then the paint does pretty look smooth anyway. So I did actually clay it about what, 3 or 4 months ago. Right, let's give it another coat and contaminate over to the other side a little bit. So it goes on nice. Use it on the headlights. Headlights are starting to get a bit misty actually. It's time to replace those, I think. Okay, quick buff off with this. It says you can use this in direct sunlight as well, which is quite cool. It's not really got much today, it's pretty freezing. nice. You can't really tell the difference between panel to panel. Like I say, the finish on this car is pretty good anyway for original paint. Yeah, it's got a few dings and stone chips which you expect for 15-year-old paint, but the actual gloss level is quite good. Okay, I'll just wipe this side over with spray. I'll give you a close up, see if you can have a look at the gloss level, but I don't think there's much difference, to be honest. Got a good reflection there. This side is pretty much the same. For silver as well, you get some good reflections with the Turtle Wax products. I'm quite a fan of their stuff. Get the hose pipe out and we'll see what the beading's like. Okay, so I've just got the hose pipe out, so we'll just do a test, see what. So the water beading looks pretty good. It's actually sheeting off quite a lot as well there. Let me give you a closer look. This is the side of the ceramic wax. And the beads are pretty good, quite big. The other side is pretty much comparable, I think. Pretty much a match. Yeah, excellent. Give it a closer look. Yeah, nice large water beads. Pretty good. Yeah, so I think if you're using this just as a top up over the top of your normal wax, I think you're going to get some really nice protection. The more you use it, I think the more protection you're going to get. But I think it's pretty much comparable to the sealant wax. It's just over time and how long it lasts, etc. But yeah, pretty impressed with it. Seems quite good. As I'm actually wiping the actual water off the panel, just feel a lot slicker, really smooth. Yeah, almost no dragging at all, which is interesting. This side again was just the hydrophobic wax, and that needs a little bit of dragging, but not as slick as this side. So I think it would protect the paint a lot more than the other one, but again I think you're going to have to build it up over time. For the price and the ease of use, I think it's pretty good. Yeah, looks good. So I think I'd probably carry on using the hydrophobic wax as a drying aid, like I have been doing, and then I'll probably just top up with the ceramic wax, just to give that extra bit of protection, especially these winter months. But the hydrophobic one is fantastic for helping to dry your car. So I've given the car another coating of the ceramic spray. Hopefully over time it should stop the dirt from sticking to the paint, help to keep it cleaner. It feels really glossy. I'm really impressed with that. There you go, nice and shiny. Looks pretty good. If you've liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.